everyone, konnichiwa. It's time for the OMUSUBI ranking of some new great Japanese products. The stains in the kitchen are very hard to remove, right? They are very stubborn. In Japan, the land of convenience store goods, there are so many items that you can find which are very handy. Today, I'm gonna introduce you to some items from DAISO, a 100-yen store in Japan, which will help you to remove the stubborn stains from the kitchen. So, let's get started.
For only 100 yen, your kitchen cleaning problems will be gone. Let the ranking begin.
Let's! Kirari clean clothing, which looks like this. Cleaning sinks and kitchens can be very tedious and annoying, can't it? I find it pretty annoying. But this Kirari cleaning cloth originally has a special resin treatment that scrubs away all the stains. So you do not need to use any detergent. Can you believe it? Just dip it in a water and rub it to get rid of the stains and grime on sinks and faucets.
I can't believe how easy it is to clean the sink.
Just quickly take out a piece, dip it in the water, and scrub it like this. And voila! It's beautiful!
It's eco-friendly because it doesn't use detergent.
Absolutely! You can quickly take one off and clean it wherever you notice dirt in the skin in your daily life. It is recommended to use it before it becomes a stubborn stain. This time we have a multi-purpose cleanser.
What the hell is that?
A multi-purpose cleansers can be used to remove talc, grease, age-old water stains, and all sorts of other stains that you might be finding difficult to remove.
It's too strong.
It is. A spread on the cleanser like this and a scrub with this sponge. That's all it takes to make it shine.
Oh, I want it!
Yes, and try a multi-purpose cleanser when you have these stubborn grease stains and burns. It's funny how much dirt it removes. And last but not least, we have a scale remover with citric acid. Do you have water stains on your sink or bath?
Yes, of course!
Everyone has that. This citric acid-based scale remover was created to remove such scale stains. After removing the dirt from the mirror, use this item while wetting and scrubbing it. And when you wipe off the water, you'll see that the scales are gone.
I didn't know scales could be removed so easily.
I didn't know either. Use this to scrub away those scales and it won't come off no matter what you do.
Yes, sir!
And these are the useful cleaning goods of OMUSUBI ranking today. And you can find all these items at your nearby DAISO. So if you like any of them items, please go and buy it. And if you have used them, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye!